Hi, thanks for watching Play with Light. This is one of the research series videos that introduce some of the research activities in the Wave Lab. So today, I would like to show you a soft robot that is inspired by twinkling plants. I think you probably have seen some of the twinkling plant before. So first, let me show you a time-lapse video that I have found from the internet that shows how twinkling plants climb up a pole. Okay, so this is a twinkling plant. So what the twinkling plant does is that the side of the tendril that touches the pole will grow slower, while the opposite side that is not touching will grow faster. So that's why there's a spiral shape is resulted. Now let's have a look of the twinkling plant inspired spiral grabber we have in the lab. On the left is a spiral grabber, and on the right is a reading of the fiber optic sensor that we embedded in the grabber. The spiral motion of the grabber, just like the twinkling plant, can securely hold onto the thin metal rod. And as it is wrapping around the rod, the reading of the fiber optic sensor decreases, which means the wrapping motion is successful. And as the wrapping motion stops, the reading also stops. Isn't it interesting to see how we can make such an ordinary looking finger-like robot to wrap around a thin rod just like the twinkling plant? So how can we do that? So let me explain it here to you. Showing in figure A is the cross-section of the grabber, and figure B is a 3D design of the soft robotic spiral grabber. So this grabber has an elastic spine that is less stretchable and won't elongate as much as we try to actuate this soft robot, just like the inner side of the twinkling plant that actually grows slower. And there is an air channel, which is showing green in figure B, that is going spiral inside the grabber. So as we are pumping air into this spiral air channel, this soft robot will move spiral just like the twinkling plant. So to make this soft spiral grabber, you need to print some 3D mold and then use silicone gel to cast the mold to make it. So this is a three pieces mold. So here you can see this is the spiral channel that is used to make the air channel. Okay, and we also have these two. Okay, we also have these two pieces that are used to make the soft robot itself. So you can see here. So once we have these three pieces, we can plug it together like that. Okay, and you pour the silicone gel inside and cool it either in room temperature or you can put it on a hot plate. And after it is cured, you can take apart the mold and take out your soft robot, and you have the air channel. In this soft robot, we are using a really thin fiber optic sensor to sense how much this grabber has been twisted and how large is the rod that it is holding. So I'm holding an optical fiber here. Fiber optic sensor is used because it's so small and it's so flexible. The size of an optical fiber is about the size of hair, which is only 125 micrometer in diameter. That's why we're using optical fiber in soft robot to allow sensing while keeping the soft robot light and flexible. Thank you for watching Play with Light. I hope you enjoyed this research series video. Make sure to come back and check out more fun at home experiments and other research videos.